Good evening, everyone. Thanks a lot for staying with Republic TV. You're watching Straight at 8 with me, Shivani Gupta. Over the next half hour, we'll get you more of what Republic TV is continuing to unearth. People connected to Disha Salian who just do not want to speak up at all, or what they are telling us is not really adding up. One such person who would know more about Disha Salian and Rohan Rai is actor Rashmi Desai. She's a friend of both of them. Earlier, when Republic spoke to her on the phone line, she said she spoke to Disha last on June 7. That's a day before Disha's mysterious death. She also mentioned that they were planning an October trip to Shimla, but denied that she was aware of any June 8 party. But when Republic tried to speak her in person, she evaded our cameras. Here's more.
रश्मि देसाई नहीं रहती है ना, उनको बता देंगे। हम लोग आए चैनल से न्यूज़ चैनल से मिलना है। निकल गई
यहाँ तो नहीं है क्या?
यहाँ नहीं, कहाँ गई?
उनका एक और रिलेशन है, ये लिंक रोड पे।
अच्छा, लिंक रोड पर गई, वहाँ रहती है। लेकिन मुझे तो यहाँ पे यहाँ नहीं रहती है।
मम्मी यहाँ आज सुबह से ही मम्मी उनकी दिख रही।
मम्मी नहीं है।
मम्मी है। अब कहाँ से आए?
हम न्यूज़ चैनल से।
न्यूज़ चैनल। कोई बंदा आया, बोल आप
मैम यहाँ रहती नहीं है, उन्होंने मना कर दिया, मिलना नहीं चाहती।
यहाँ है नहीं फिलहाल।
कब तक रहेंगी? नहीं, आपकी बात तो हुई नहीं, आपकी बात हुई उनसे, इसको मना कर दिया।
बात हुई
क्या उसको मना कर दिया, नहीं मिलेंगे? हाँ,
जाएगी तभी तो मिलेंगे आपको, नहीं मिलेंगे।
आपका बात कहाँ हुआ?
मैं ये तो नहीं पूछ सकता हूँ कि आप कहाँ से बोल रहे हैं, कहाँ हो। इस अपने
आपने फ़ोन पे किया, टेलीकॉम पे किया होगा ना आपने?
कौन से? अच्छा, आपसे बात क्यों मना कर दिया, नहीं मिलेंगे?
नहीं मिलेंगे, इसमें बिल्डिंग में है ही नहीं, बोल लो मैं नहीं। बाकी सही मिलेंगे।
कब तक आती है शिकायत?
आती भी है तो रुकती नहीं,
आती है?
रुकते नहीं है ज़्यादा, आते हैं एक दो मिनट।
हम लोग दरअसल रिपब्लिक भारत से हैं, उनसे बात करना चाहते हैं। दिशा उनकी दोस्त थी ना। एक बार आप उनको ये बता दें कि रिपब्लिक टीवी से हैं। एक बार ये बस ये बता दिए कि रिपब्लिक टीवी से हैं, करते हैं, बस मिलना चाहते हैं। अभी में तो कभी बाद में अगर आ जाए। हाँ,
नहीं लग रहा है, बेसिक दस लग रहा है। आपको कैसे टाइम मिलने आ जाते हैं, इन्फॉर्मेशन पहले उनके बारे में मिलना चाहिए ना, आपका नंबर या कॉन्टेक्ट कैसा। डायरेक्ट आएंगे तो कैसा होगा?
बात है कि उनका कोई पीए हो, उनसे बात कर सकें कोई।
उनके पास तो ऐसा कोई है नहीं ये, जहाँ आते जाके खुद अपना गाड़ी लेकर आते हैं।
उनका आपने देखा होगा ना, पढ़ा होगा उनका, वो दिशा सालियान जो है, दिशा सालियान सुना होगा आपने, पढ़ा होगा। उनकी वो जानकार थी, उन्होंने लिखा भी था कि उनकी दोस्त है।
उनके बारे में हमको नहीं मालूम, वो सब में नहीं, अपना काम में इतना नहीं है पूछने में।
यहाँ कौन रहता है? चली जाते हैं।
उनकी मम्मी रहती है, उनके साथ गए हो जाए।
अगर एक बार आप उनको ये बता दें कि हम लोग रिपब्लिक टीवी से
आप फ़ोन तो लगने दीजिए, फ़ोन तो दीजिए आप।
जी,
हम लोग को बात ही नहीं करना चाहिए, तो
जी,
देखते हैं अभी।
चलो कि शुरू हो गया है काम उनका, तो आना जाना कर दिया उन्होंने, तो बस हमको तो बस 5 दिन मिलना है।
तो लेकिन हम कैसे मना कर सकते हैं? आप मिले, आप कुछ भी करो, उनका परमिशन रहेगा तो ही हम।
नहीं, बात सही है, बात सही है। बस एक बार उनको आप बता दें चैनल का नाम, रिपब्लिक भारत पे है, तो एक बार वो मिल लें।
उनका क्या मैटर है, आपको क्या मैटर है, मेरे को आइडिया नहीं है। तो जैसा बोले वैसा करना।
तो हम लोग भी चले फिर, ठीक है ना खड़ा होना। घर पे नहीं मुझे मिलना नहीं चाहती।
नहीं, मैं बोला मिलना चाहती हूँ, नहीं चाहती हूँ, अब मेरे को थोड़ी बताएंगी मैं मिलूँगी नहीं। मेरे को बोला सीधे घर पे नहीं है बात करना।
अच्छा ये बोल रहे सीधे बोल दो घर पे नहीं।
Okay. So, Rashmi Desai, my colleagues attempting to get to speak to her, but she's not at home. At least that's what she maintains and the guard maintains. Piyush, my colleague, is joining us. He tried speaking to Rashmi. She has spoken on the phone with Republic TV, but Piyush, have you been able to establish contact with her? What is she saying? She doesn't want to speak on camera, is it?
Well, Shivani, she is not coming on camera. Moreover, she is not breaking her silence. Her relationship with Rohan Roy and what kind of relationship she shared with Disha Salian. Though Shavan Sen, our associate editor, he tried to speak to her, where she said that yes, she knew Disha Salian and she was a very close friend of her. But when we tried approaching her, she refused to meet us. What is more important here is that when Shavan Sen spoke to her, there was some sort of irregularity. There's some sort of inconsistencies, because at one side she was saying that she has not met Disha Salian in the last 6 to 7 months, but on the other side she also convinced to the fact that she spoke to her a day before. So there was some sort of inconsistencies. And moreover, when we tried asking Rashmi Desai if she knew Rohan Roy and what kind of connection she had with him, she refused to speak on that. So there are some certain questions which Rashmi Desai also must tell to us. Moreover, she also spoke about the fact that her information is not matching with our information. So she had to clarify that what kind of information she had and what kind of things she could put in public domain. And we had given her ample chance. We not only spoke to her on the phone, but also tried going to her residence. But you can clearly see that her guard of her building comes and speaks to us, and he says that he has been asked by Rashmi Desai to tell us that she will not meet us, which clearly indicates that now she is avoiding us, she is ignoring us, she is not coming out and speaking on that, which itself raises a lot of questions, because Republic TV, in pursuit of truth, is trying to meet almost every single person whom Disha Salian knew closely, because now Disha Salian case has opened up and there are certain links those are now emerging out, and Rashmi Desai, she had herself told us that
the problem is not so much that she spoke to Disha a day before her mysterious death, and whether she at all she's not giving out all details of all the contact she has had with Disha. The problem is that she says no comment when we try to ask her, did you know Rohan Roy? Now, why would you do that at all unless you have something to hide, because it's in public domain that you clearly knew him?
Well, absolutely. Absolutely, and there are many pictures which Rashmi Desai has on social media with Rohan Roy, not only Rohan Roy but also with Disha Salian. So she knows the truth behind it, and she knows everything, and she should come out and speak, because the nation wants to know about the truth of Disha Salian, and we have been continuously pursuing to try to dig in the truth as to why Disha Salian committed suicide, what actually happened on that night, and when she spoke to Disha Salian a day before, what kind of conversation she had. So there are certain things which Rashmi Desai must speak out, and why she is saying that I don't want to comment on her relationship with Rohan Roy. So there are certain things which Rashmi Desai must speak out. We have tried contacting her not once but multiple times. We were right outside her residence also. We asked guard to tell her that we are here from Republic TV and we want to speak to her. But guard was told by Rashmi Desai that she doesn't want to meet us. So this somewhere raises a lot of questions, because at this juncture, when this case has been investigated thoroughly, not only by multiple agencies but also especially by CBI, she must herself come out and support the agencies. Like Nitesh Rane has said that he will offer himself before CBI for the investigation in the entire case. So Rashmi Desai, who was very close to Disha Salen and also Rohan Roy, she should herself come out and speak on this. We'll have to wait and watch if she comes out and tells us the truth as to what she exactly knows, because Shivani, she herself has claimed that her information is different from our information. So we are asking her as to that she should come out and at least tell what kind of information she has.
Right. Piyush, thanks a lot for joining us. For the meantime, we'll keep coming back to you for more.